Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G45 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to, here in this general list we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down to localize the option screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes, so just tap on it. Now go back, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.